Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Gains, and even though I've made a video very similar to this one before, I want to talk about barbells today and the maintenance of them. Last time basically what happened was this Allen head bolt backed out. It was actually sticking out about a 1/4 inch, so I had to retighten it. Now today I was doing deadlift, and for some reason this side over here felt a little odd, so went ahead and removed all the weight. Once I got all the way in, I found this. Now at first I thought what had happened is that this had unscrewed from the collar. Well, actually what happened is the collar just completely came off. Now hopefully this will just thread right back on. This Allen head bolt over here actually looks pretty tight. Let's see, I haven't tried yet, so let's see what happens. Hey, well, might have to finagle with it a little bit, but hopefully it didn't tear up the threads. A little more interesting. I might have to do this off camera and then come back on, but you see what I'm trying to do here, but I just have to make sure this part lines up to it. And I don't want it to cross. Oh, actually, I might have it. There we go. Okay. Looks like it's wanting to tighten back up, so that's a good thing. Now, first thing I would think of course, would maybe put some Loctite on the threads. That way this doesn't happen again. Don't want to be in the middle of the bench and this happens. That would definitely be bad. But anyway, I'm going to tighten it up the rest of the way, but that's just something to be aware of. Good thing is this is definitely a whole lot better than what's happened to me in the past. I was actually at an undisclosed gym, and basically this portion of the bar actually cracked. So when it actually cracked off, what must have actually happened, which I didn't realize at the time, is that it must have broken the threads, and that must be why it's separated. But and at that point I was doing barbell shrugs, so again it was an ideal situation in the sense of you don't want to be in the middle of a bench and that breaks, because now you might have a little bit more of a situation on your hands. But anyway, I figured I'd throw this out there that way in case anyone else ever experienced something similar. And also just be aware of your barbells. You may have to do some maintenance here and there on them. But all right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.